It is liberating when you learn how to push yourself to try. It really is. It is empowering when you start to see yourself taking action and momentum happening, and that you're gaining a little ground. I mean, it is just like amazing. It is magical when you realize, I start crying because it's like, that you don't have to listen to the shit that you think. You really don't. And for a long time, I mean, God, I suffered from anxiety for like 20 years. It was just debilitating, totally debilitating. So I get it. And I can tell you, because I'm on the other side of it, even though I was afraid I was having a panic attack last night in the middle of the night, thinking about teaching you today, that you can stop yourself from worrying all the time, and you can curb the anxiety. And when you learn how to do it, it is pure magic. So I want to show you what I've learned. There is a really close connection between doubt, worry, anxiety, and panic. I want to show you now how doubt spirals into worry, and how that then becomes a situation that spirals into anxiety. And if you're like me, it becomes panic attacks. So self-doubt, we saw, triggers you to some form of action. And for most of us, the first thing that we do is we start to worry. So you feel insecure, or you feel like a fraud, or you feel worried about rejection, or you feel overwhelmed. And again, we've learned you can't control those feelings. Life is going to throw that at you. So stop trying to get rid of that feeling. The real power is in learning what to do when those feelings happen. For most of us, we default to worrying.